A couple of days ago, I made a little video about bird watching out in the field with my iPhone, taking pictures, running an app to hear bird songs and being able to identify them, and then using Discord to communicate with my system of AI bots to be able to assemble a CueCam presentation. So right now, I'm going to go through that workflow and run that presentation. In Discord, I'm just speaking in human terms. We're back to bird watching, white lettering on yellow background. Not a good decision, but I'm playing around. I'm asking my bot to tell me what he's got. I get an idea of what the theme is, what the kind of profile for the design is. So I say card one is going to be a video. I'm going to put it up on Google Drive or bring it into my home and airdrop it in. And then I take a picture of the first bird that I encountered. That's the bird song. And I want that bird to be off to the side and I'm face forward. So my face is going to be over here. And the bird is what I'm talking about. So it's easy to visualize using this Discord interface. And I meet more birds as I go along, and I make another video as well. So when I have all the pieces together and Larry's got them, it runs through a process and it generates a CueCam bundle that I can use. And I have Larry populating a folder on my desktop. I call it presentations, and these are all CueCam bundles. And this is the bird one, the last one that I did. Those are the cards. There's the background, basic information. But if I get contents, this is the configuration, basic structural elements, a script in JSON. This is the script that tells CueCam what to do. And then here is the media that I took out on the road, just put right into this folder. And now I'll play it. So I'm back in the field and hearing birds again. And this time it's another new variety. So I got that first bird in there, and there's that image. And I just aligned it a little bit, played with what I got from the system. It doesn't come out exact. And of course, the story is within 5 minutes, I was surrounded. That was sort of taking a walk. One bird, suddenly there were 5 or 6. And even one that had this beautiful picture of the American goldfinch. And I could have gone down and learned more. But the idea that I could walk around and be in my environment, collecting information in real time, submitting it in a way that it was ready for me to then package and run afterwards, that's pretty nice. Sometimes the birds in this area are quite loud, and I know there are various varieties, but now I have a source of truth where I can say, that's what it is. It labels it, and I know what it looks like in my head. So useful, even though I enjoy the sounds regardless if I have the app or not.